Good afternoon, my fellow traders. I am Bass Peter from the Trade Academy. Today, I would like to give reasons why I sold this pair, GDP JPY. Now, before I make any trade, I always go to my higher time frame, starting from H4, to just take a look at the chart. So, and I also have one tradition. I always mark my previous high. So you can see this previous high where I dotted with red. So I always mark it with my horizontal line. So this is the high marked. Then we can see a new high that is formed. That new high comes with what? A rejection. This is what we call liquidity, and it also means a sign of weakness in the market. So what I will do is I'll go to my 1 hour time frame and also look at it. What do I see? I see candles with wick, which is also a sign of weakness. And let me return back to 4 hours. We can see that this market has been buying for so long. So this also gives us another confirmation that we can sell, since we are having 4 hours candle rejection from our previous high. 4 hours candle rejection from this previous high, and 1 hour candle rejection from this high. So how do I sell? Since I've noticed this weakness and I want to sell, how do I sell? I'll go to my 15-minute time frame. Then I will have to look for two things. I'll look for M pattern from that high, which is what we have. We can see it. That M pattern must break our low. So we can see this M pattern. You can see how it broke this low. So this is what we call choke. That means there is a shift in market trend. So what do? I will have to zoom in. Then take out my trend line tools and connect where we have candle touching our moving average. Connect it. So what do? I have to wait for a breakout. You can see the nice M pattern that created shift in market trend. So for me to enter this trade, two things I have to consider. I have to consider, since we have a shift in market trend, I have to expect price to come back to test this trend line, which when you extend it, you notice that this is your head, this is your left shoulder, and this is your right shoulder. So this zone, from this your left shoulder to your right shoulder, this zone is the best place to sell from here. But in this scenario, I waited for price to come there, but price didn't get there. So what I did was I looked at my moving average. I can see price forming beneath the moving average. So what do? This was the low that was taken out by this long momentum, this particular low. So what I did was I wait for candle to come and retest that low, then I sold. So that was how I was able to make this profit. But the best place to sell is from this left shoulder, this angle here. So this is your head, this is your left shoulder, this is your right shoulder. Thank you.